Jim King back out here in Pleasant Hill. This is our second week out here, and I've only got one video on this. I'm ashamed of myself, but I've had so many bid requests. I think 36 in the last 3 days, and I've been trying to keep up with that. My A-team is second to none. Jaime's been with me so many years. This crew's been with me. They know what to do. This wall is perfectly vertical. Look at that. They're not done locking it in yet. You can see there where we push the wall back to vertical. Keeping everything clean. Here we go. King Piers team in action. Got guys on the outside working on our pier holes. Stay tuned. We're just about finished with this, guys. Other than the backfill and cleanup. KingPiers.com, 816-521-8915. Call us for a free estimate.